What's up people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching the video at. This is your host Ganesh and you're watching my channel Beardo on Enfield. So guys, thank you so much for all the responses, all the great response that I got from my previous video of taking delivery of my new bike, and I really appreciate you all guys for supporting me and showing love for my previous video. Keep supporting and keep sharing the video so that I'll be bringing up more and more such beautiful content for you guys. And the people who are those new to the channel, you can subscribe to my channel. You have to subscribe to my channel so that only I can be able to make more and more content for you guys. Today's video is all about installing the most important accessory on my new Himalayan, which is a crash guard. I have bought this crash guards from HDT Customs, which is Himalayan Customs, and it was purchased from Ravi, which is in Andheri. So let me show you an overview of the crash guards. So these are the crash guards, left and the right one. This is somehow it looks. So this is how it's gonna install on my bike. I'll show you to you how it will be installed and what all things needs to be done for the installation. And for the installation, we have a special person whose name is Ravi, and let me introduce you to him. Ravi bhai. So Ravi bhai will be installing this crash guards on my motorcycle, and he's the person who used to work on my previous bike on my Kirija. There she is, if you can see her. There she is, and as well as on the rhythm. And yeah, so yeah, by the way, Edward is behind the camera. So yes, Ravi bhai will be installing this crash guards, and after this there are a few more accessories which I'll be buying for my new motorcycle, and those will be installed by him only. So Ravi bhai will be showing us how to mount the crash guards on my motorcycle, and which bolt will be needed to which bolt will be fixed where. He will be explaining you each and everything, so keep watching continuously until the end of the video. So guys, this is the foundation pipe or bolt, you can say, which will be going in here, which needs to be fixed before installing the crash guard. And Ravi bhai, दिखा दो कैसे लगाना है crash guard को. So this is how the crash guard will be fitted on the motorcycle, and this foundation bolt will be used to fix it. Don't look over here, थोड़ी गंदी हो गई भाई. And one bolt will be fixed over here. एक बार लाइटली ना सिर्फ अटका के दिखा दो, बाद में फिटिंग करेंगे. तो इंजन का फाउंडेशन बोल्ट यहाँ पे लग गया है, एंड यहाँ पर एक बोल्ट जाएगा, एंड जो फाउंडेशन पाइप है वहाँ पर एक. तो तीन ही चीज़ें बस लगानी है इसके अंदर. सो गाइज रिमेंबर, बिफोर इंस्टॉलिंग द क्रैश गार्ड ऑन द साइड ऑफ साइलेंसर, यहाँ पे ना जगह कम रहेगी. यू कैन सी
इसके लिए साइलेंसर खोलना पड़ेगा.
सो क्या
साइलेंसर का बोल लूज करना पड़ेगा, तभी ये इसका गार्ड लगेगा.
लुक एट दिस. साइलेंसर का जो बोल्ट है वो लूज करके इसको एडजस्ट किया हुआ, तब जाके क्रैश गार्ड लगेगा यहाँ पे. बट आफ्टर फिक्सिंग द क्रैश गार्ड कोई इशू नहीं होगा, और ये टच नहीं होगा ना रवि भाई?
नहीं टच नहीं होएगा.
बाद में फिक्स करने के बाद में जब इसको भी टाइट करेंगे साइलेंसर को, तभी टच नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं एकदम बराबर फिटिंग आएगा.
So meanwhile he is fixing it, let him complete his work, and then I'll show you how it exactly looks after the installation is done. So that was all about installing the crash guards on my new motorcycle. And Ravi bhai, thank you so much सब काम करने के लिए. और भी बहुत काम बाकी है.
ठीक है, कर देंगे.
हैंडल बार है. there are so many accessories which needs to be installed, and he will be helping me out. So to watch all those content, make sure you hit that like button right away, and if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share it as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.